The green cards show pictures in multiples of 10. Card from the tens or the multiples of tens, and one from the ones, and then create a number. Show it using base 10 symbols, and write a number sentence and then explain. Base 10 symbols for this is 10 long and this is unit, and the symbol for 10 long is 110. This is long stick and we call it 10 long, and this is unit and this dot represents units. Let's work on this card. The multiples of tens and one digit, single digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, 5 10 longs, and 3, 6, 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. 5 tens is 50 plus 9 is 59. 5 tens and 9 ones make 59. Let's pick another one. 4 tens and 3 units or 3 ones. 4 10 longs and 3 units. 4 tens is 40 plus 3 is 43. 4 tens and 3 units make 43. Here is 1 unit. Let's take 110 and 1 unit. 110 is 110 long, 1 unit. 110 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 and 1 make 11. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.